Hello traders, welcome to a special video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about two very important things: how our progress in our salary account has been so far, and what was our plan and how we achieved it, and what would be our plan for the next month. And and also I will take you through to a tour of what are the kind of tools that I use to actually gauge the market. Now, remember, the first and the most important tool that I use over here is the order flow. So by the way of order flow, I will be able to understand which side the market is trying to move the direction. And, are there any big buyings or small buyings, or are there any algo candles or so on and so forth? All of this actually comes into picture by understanding the order flow and the way how it works. So I do a live analysis based on order flow, which gives me a very clear-cut idea as to where the market is heading. Now, the second thing that I use is the investing, trading view over here. So I have a premium paid version by which, I track all the indices in one particular chart. And I'm also able to go ahead and duplicate this and look at any important stocks that I want to monitor. So at this moment, I've not yet created a July series, August series, but for the July one, it was very simple for us to just pick up a couple of stocks and try to analyze them and so on and so forth. So this is also there in the other tab. And the third application that we use is Fires. So Fires gives us a trading view charting platform. So over here is where I do all the analysis of Bank Nifty trading, where I explain to my traders as to what exactly happens and where we are going to buy, what are the targets. To understand the crux of the market, we go ahead and understand the kind of way the banks are moving all around over here. And based on that, we are going to actually progress whether or not we are going to sell or we are going to go ahead and buy. So call or put decisions are actually made over here. And then with this, I go ahead and open another tab on Fires as well and have two different things. Okay, one is a call and one is a put. And I go ahead, draw levels, something like this, and try to understand which side the market is going to go and what are the breakouts that are going to happen. Then I'm going to use the basket facility over here to understand my margins in Zerodha, but I don't trade in Zerodha. And over here, I also look at the option chain over here in Zerodha because it gives me a clear idea of the open interest and the things that are working over here. I keep my global indices tab over here to understand where the global indices are moving and so on and so forth. And then I have my personal sheets over here where I track, my personal profits. So with all of this, the members of mine, they do two things. When I say buy, they go ahead, understand the trade and learn, or they copy the trade and earn. That's how simple it is. But however, these are the tools and weapons that I use for my business. This is how I'm able to make the decisions and make the profits that we are seeing over here on the screens. And if you want to look at the list of profits that we have made so far, there is a history of the last 7 months of live trading that has been introduced over there. Now, in this video, there is another thing that I will also say is that before we get onto the ledger, now over here, this is the most important thing. Over here, what we do is we go to the option chain and we pick whichever particular option that we want to buy, and we keep the buy signals ready, and we trade them as and when it comes through. So we use 5 paisa for our trading purposes. So the entire ledger that I'm going to explain is going to be via the 5 paisa itself. So with all of this put together, guys, these are the efforts that I put to actually make money from the market, where I don't want to become filthy rich in the market, and my goal is not to become crorepati tomorrow. It's not that I'm going to buy a 1 rupee option, it is going to go to 1500 or anything as such, but I'm trying to keep it real. Now, keeping it real means that I'm trading with an account size where any common man can actually come through and replicate. 75,000 or 50,000, whoever has certain amount of capital can actually replicate my trades. How is that possible? Those trades can actually be replicated in such a way. Now, every month I reset the clock. So whatever profits that I've made for the month of July, I'm going, I have already withdrew them yesterday, based on the feedback. We will also, concentrate on the same fact that 75,000 is what we're going to start with, 50 to 75,000 from Monday onwards. And we are going to try our level best to go ahead and see what we are going to make at the end of the month. So I'm keeping it real. So a lot of you guys would be thinking, how much do you think you should have made out of 75,000? Okay. Now, when I open the ledger tab, it looks somewhere around 5 lakh rupees, right? Guys, this 5 lakh in commutative is not my profits that I've made for this particular month. I will tell you how much exactly I've made, but this also includes the losses that we have made as well. So we had a lot of bad days from the 7th of July till the till yesterday, but somehow we struggled, we survived, and we managed our flow of time. But however, the things actually planned out pretty well. So what was the final output? The final withdrawal that I made over here was somewhere around 2,16,600 and whatever change that I could, which was available, yesterday, somewhere around 9:30. I just withdrew that. Now, how was this done? This was done with a starting capital of somewhere around 75,000. I, sometimes to average my position, I also added 5 or 1,000 as well. But to get this particular amount of 2,16,000, it was not easy, guys. It was not easy. We had to face a lot of losses in between. We faced a loss of 24,000. We faced a lot of 14,000. We also faced a loss of 32,000. A lot of those things. After having those losses as well, is so far we have somehow able to go ahead and manage this particular kind of output here. Now, what does this mean? So this means that something like this can also be achieved by you guys. Remember that always, to a fact, we need to understand that not everybody is having a good time, not everybody is having a bad time, not everybody is a bad trader, not everybody is a good trader, but we are normal people. Certain decisions and the kind of decisions that we make to make those decisions actually give us the kind of output. Now, I have traded with a lot of money, and this is I would say for my personal expense would be something that I would spend in a day or something like that. But no, my objective over here is to teach you to copy my trades and replicate the same exact thing, whatever that has been done over here, into your accounts, because I don't compromise on analysis, guys. Whatever analysis that I do and however I present it to you, you will learn the way how I'm trading. And that's the entire purpose. I can go ahead, open a course and tell you people, join the course, you'll be profitable at the end of the day. I have, taught a lot of courses. Nobody was profitable. I have taken a lot of courses as well. Nobody is profitable. Sometimes people are lucky. That's all I can say. There is a reason why, out of 100 people in the stock market, 95% of them, or let's say 90% of them, lose money. Don't you think those 95 people have taken training any point of time in their life? Now, my business, I have not gone ahead and promoted it so heavily across all the platforms, but we are planning to do so because the education comes with being live. Now, if you have been to work, or if you have been doing anything of such, even if you're learning how to ride a bicycle, you can read a lot of books about riding a bicycle, but the experience of holding the handle and pedaling and going towards the glory will only be felt when you sit on the cycle. So over here with the RLTR group, I give you the opportunity to go ahead, sit on that cycle with me, and that cycle is called Stock Market Profit Machine, and make that similar profit that I'm making, and copy it into your accounts. Now, what is my accuracy? My accuracy can literally stand out to be somewhere around 69 to 70%. And I have kept the data of the last 7 months of live trading on my Telegram channel. So if you want to go ahead and visit my Telegram channel, I'll give you the link in the description below. You can go there. Now, why is this an important video? Guys, I'm celebrating 7 months of live trading that I've done over here, on a massive platform. So what I want to promote now is that if I am able to go ahead with 75,000, able to withdraw a salary of somewhere around 2 lakh, 16,000 or something like that, this 2 lakh 16,000, even if I remove 80,000 out of it, I don't know how much it would have been. Let me just check. So let me just remove 80,000 as well. I'm still able to remove 1,36,000 from that much investment that I've made by live trading. So this is the opportunity that you would have to go ahead and copy my trades and make the exact same amount of money. Now, a lot of people have complained about 5paisa being not so friendly in terms of order execution and stuff like that. So we are shifting to a brand new broker from Monday onwards, so that you guys have the way to replicate trades in a very smooth fashion, and to understand whatever is happening as well. So pretty much with that information, I'll let you guys be. So the other important thing about what is going to happen over the weekend is that, to celebrate the 7 months of success, we are going ahead and rolling out some exciting offers for our live trading members. Now, a lot of people say they cannot afford the live trading fees that is on a monthly purposes. I have fought very hard with the management to actually get you that spectacular discount that you would need to start pretty much straight away. My job is to not to make the rich richer. My job is to make the people who have already lost money, give them some hope, teach them how live the market works, and do the trades, and then work it out accordingly. So pretty much this is the entirety of the situation. And I hope you like the video that I have made today, and hope this gives you enough insight about what is the potential of 80,000 that can go through, and what are the things that you can keep in mind, and what are the angles that can help you make a lot of money in the stock market. I'm not promising you 20,000x, 30,000x, or I'm not promising you the moon. I'm just being honest, being live, and showing you that yes, money can be made in the market if it is being made with strict discipline and sincerity towards the goal. So our sincerity over here is absolutely straight, that we are going to trade live. So our live trading will start again on Monday. So today being a trading day, I'm off the market because I'm enjoying the day. And this day is supposed to go ahead and give me some time to unwind and relax, and get myself together, because the month of August is going to be an exciting thing. So my job was that if 80,000 I was able to make to like 16, I want to go ahead, repeat the same feat or even more going forward from the next month. So with that, I will leave you with this thought, and I thank you so much for your time for spending on this video, and we'll most probably try to catch up on a live trading session very soon, and get this across over the platform and take this through. So see you on the live trading video on Monday. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day ahead. See you all. Love you all. Take care. Have a fantastic weekend. Enjoy your days. Bye-bye for now.